Hi guys, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi A2 and let me show you how to locate serial number on this device. So at first open your phone dialer, then go to keypad and enter a secret code which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see, at the bottom of the list you've got your serial number. Tap on OK to exit. And now you can also find this number via settings. So at first reach the settings, scroll all the way down and click on About Phone. Now and go to the bottom of the list. Actually not. Now you have to click on Model right here, and here you've got your serial number. So that's it. This is how you can locate serial number assigned to your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.